In front of me is Redmi 13 and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard's theme. Begin by launching it and clicking on this icon of a color palette at the top. Now you can select a perfect theme by clicking on it. Manage key borders thanks to this switcher and tap on Apply to save it. If you wish to customize it instead, go back to the same settings and this time use plus icon under My Themes. Then tap on the photo that you wish to apply as a keyboard's background. Pinch it to scale, drag it to move and select Next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Hit Done, manage key borders and select Apply. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!